everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kayla, the creator behind TiyaisAdornedCrochet, where I mainly crochet plush. So today is Monday, February 24th. I believe it should be hitting 9 o'clock soon. Actually, it's 9:15. Time is flying. So what this video is going to be is I'm going to be trying my best at doing what I crochet in a week. So I'll pop on and you'll hear me say the date and what I plan to make this week. So as of right now, I'm pattern testing 2 patterns, okay? One is a sloth and one is Momo ISA from Dan to Dan. So I'm happy about that. I also don't know what else I want to make this week. I have to finish my commission that I have mentioned in a previous video that has not been released yet. That's the video for the market prep. That was 6 hours long, but I managed to get it down to, I think, like an hour and a half. I'm gonna see if I can shorten it some more before releasing it. But yeah, that video was only 6 hours because it was 3 separate videos. But because I was so stressed out and backed up, the videos ended up backing up. So I just combined them, just one big market prep video. So I am editing that. I'm working on my videos as we speak. Well, not right now because I'm talking to you guys. But I am working on everything, but I'm going to try to make this part consistent. So I'll come on Monday, let you guys know what I plan to make for the week or my idea of what I want to do for the week. And then my weekend is going to end on Friday because the week, Saturday and Sunday, that's family time. I don't do anything. I might work on my videos early in the morning because I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning to like change my son's diaper, give him a bottle. And then he goes back to sleep, but I'm unable to go back to sleep. So I might edit my videos then, attempt to crochet. But yeah, so I'll come on Friday and show you everything I made throughout the week. So that's what the video is going to be like. Let's just say, I don't know if I'll get it done this week, but this is just the body. I don't know what I was making. So honestly, what my idea is now, and then you could probably see this one. If you know what this is, comment down below because I have not okay, so I'm excited because I want to do something different. Like everyone makes the same things, like when you see pattern tests, like of course you see the pandas, you see the dragons, the snakes, the octopus, like everything is the same. So I want to try something different. I'm hoping I could get these done for this video, so we'll find out Friday if I could get these done or not. But yeah, so I will be back on Friday. I might put some clips in of me throughout the week of what I have been working on and me just working on it. So yeah, I will see you guys on Friday. Okay, guys, so today is Friday, February 28th. It's like about to be like 10:30. I was at work and we got signed out early because they weren't going to be there. They didn't need us. But I still got paid for the whole day. So typically I work 7 to 2, but I get paid until 3. Well, today we got there at 7 and they signed us out at 8 and I'm still getting paid until 3 p.m. So I'm at home getting paid. No problem to me. So we're going to look at what I made this week. I didn't make as much as I wanted. I did end up hurting my hand. I'm supposed to be wearing the wrist thingy, but I'm not. But yeah. So I do have some good news though. So before we look at what I made, I'm going to tell you the good news. So first off, I get an email. I don't know what day it was, but it was this week. I got an email and they said to me, "We really like your pigs. Your pigs are cute. We want to add them to our inventory. Click the links below to fill out the forms." I'm not clicking anything. I don't even know who you are. So I ignored it. I didn't delete it. I didn't report it as spam. I just exited out of my email and went back to crocheting. Well, it was like 3 hours later, something told me to go back to that email and reread it. So I did. And it turns out it's a store called Hannah Grimes, Hair and Keen on Main Street. And I want my pigs. I'm so happy I went back. So my pigs are now in a store. I did add them in. Okay. So yes, my pigs are now in a store. And as you guys recall, I'm also in another store. So Yeah, so I am now in 2 stores. So at the end of the video, I'm gonna be adding the clip for the pigs because I did not finish the pigs by today. I'm gonna be working on them today. So I'll just have to add them in later on, seeing as how it's still early on Friday. But I wanted to get this video going because I am home alone for a brief moment and it's the best time to make the video. So yeah. So I'll put a clip in at the end of this video of the pigs when they're done. But yeah, so I will be having my stuff in 2 stores. One of them takes whatever I make as long as it's like a minimum of 10. The other one, they just want my pigs for right now. But going through all of my, because they have you send pictures of your stuff so that they could advertise you. And when I sent them more pictures, they were like, wait a minute, we didn't know you did all this last time. And it's because at the time, I only sent pictures of my pigs. So they didn't know I made other stuff. So they really want a lot of my new stuff. So I told them what I am working on because they said, so what are you working on now? Like, what animals are you working on? And I told them something that I'm not going to tell you guys yet because that will be for a later video. I think maybe next week. I might finish it next week. So I did show you guys this in the beginning of the video. And as you can see, I did not get back to it. I ended up getting distracted by the pigs. So I spent all week trying to work on the pigs. I ended up hurting my hand. I was supposed to have been wearing the wrist thingy, but I kept taking it off to crochet, which is very bad because my doctor told me if I keep taking it off, she's going to put me in an actual cast for a month because I've already had this happen before. I got tendonitis and I kept taking off the wrist thingy to keep crocheting and it just kept prolonging it. So on that note, let me show you guys what I made this week. So I told you guys that I was pattern testing Momo Ayase from Adorned. And when I say, hold on, he is a beauty. Okay, you ready, guys? Here is a Momo. Look how big she is. So she didn't take me that long to make. It's a very simple but very detailed pattern. I think the hair is what took it the longest for me, but I had so much fun making her. I won't lie, my husband wants one because we both watch anime. And so I went out and bought more yarn, all these colors, and I plan on making more of her. So yeah. So this is Momo. I am testing it I'll put her name up on the screen right up there somewhere. Wait, where's my hand? Right up there somewhere. Okay, guys. I'm really bad at remembering names off the top of my head. But yeah, this pattern was amazing. And she plans on doing okarun. So I already bought the yarn. I'm hoping she does accept me. But he will not be this big because this body color, I don't have a lot of anymore. Because the head, you see how big the head is? So yeah. So this was very fun to make. I definitely want to make more. This one I'm not selling. I am keeping this one forever. I might see if I could find one of those glass boxes to put her in. But I don't know if there's one big enough, especially for her head. So yeah, so this is one that I made this week. I had to order the eyes because when I made her head came out really big and I didn't have eyes. So these are 30 millimeter eyes. The biggest eyes I have that were brown were 20, I think 24. And they looked extremely small. So for the second pattern test that I did, it was for a sloth, and here it is. I don't know if you could tell, but it has little booty cheeks, as you could see. If you turn it this way, you can see the booty cheeks. But yeah, it has little booty cheeks. Wow, not only did I made this one, and then this one. So I made 3 sloths. They work up very fast. I'll also put the creator behind these. This was from Ribbler. Momo was from Instagram. So I'll put their names up there whenever I do a pattern test for someone or I use someone's pattern. I'll put their name up there if I remember. I'm trying to do my best to credit everyone, but like I said, I forget. I just get the patterns, I do them, and then I throw them to the side normally. So then when it's time for me to actually record them, I don't even remember where I got the pattern from. So Momo's hair and the sloth are all the same yarn. I use that yarn up. So that's one skein of yarn down. the body, her skin color, well, the pink is gone too, so that's another skein down. Yeah, so I made those. And then I wrote a pattern for an owl. So let me just get all the, here we go. So here's my owl pattern. So yeah, so I wrote an owl pattern. A lot of people said it looked more like a penguin. So what I might do is I might make a penguin and then just try to fix the pattern. A lot of people said add ears, so that's what I might do. They said make the eyes a little bit bigger. These are 12mm eyes, so I don't know what's the next size up I have after 12. I think the next size I have up after 12 might be 18 or 20. So I'll have to play around with the eyes, but yeah, I made one owl. And then that is when I actually got the email for the pigs. So I stopped working on everything. So last but not least, are the pigs. So here is one. So they liked this color, but they wanted it bigger. But this is Dollar Tree yarn. So it's not going to get any bigger than this. And this is my own pattern. And then here is another pig that I had. I had sent them 2 pictures, this pig and this pig. And when they said they liked my pigs, I didn't know which pig they were talking about. I didn't know I sent 2 pictures of my pigs. That was kind of stupid of me to send 2 pictures of pigs. No wonder why all they wanted was my pigs, because I only sent them pictures of pigs. So they like this color pink and they want like 8 to 10 of these. So yeah, but the only thing is this texture of pink is much smaller than this one. So I don't know. I think this one was Sweet Snuggles Light. My Michael still has it. So I've still been buying them. But I believe it was Sweet Snuggles Light. This one is Dollar Tree yarn. And this one, they don't take a percentage. What they do is they say, how much do you want for this product? Now, when it comes down to crochet, they made it obvious. A lot of people charge way too high. Like, obviously, you want to get paid for your time, but I want to, okay, for example, I want to pay myself $17 an hour. I live in New Hampshire, and the minimum wage is $7.25, but I was like, I'll do $17 an hour. And these take me like an hour and a half to make. Only because, I don't know, I think it's because of my hand is the reason why I'm so slow now. But if I was to charge this based off, let's say, the hour and a half that it took me to make these, this would be $25. Not even. It would actually be $30 if I include all the materials and stuff. $30 for something this small. No, I could not charge that. And this right here took me 20 minutes. So these will be a little bit cheaper, but it would still be a high price. Like, these could go in the $5 bins because of how small they are. These I normally put in the $8 to $10 bin because of the size. I kind of price differently. I know I said I was going to release a video explaining how I price, but I have not. So on that note, we have, let me scoot this way so that I am on the screen. Three sloths, an owl, and 2 pigs. So on that note, I need to get her somewhere safe. I'm going to insert the clip of the pigs after this. So hopefully I remember. But in case I don't remember, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more of this, make sure you subscribe. Thank you. Okay, everyone. So today is March 1st. It's Saturday. Earlier this week, I got an email. Another store that I had applied to accepted me. And here's the funny thing. They're like three stores apart. Like, literally. Like, it's the store I'm selling in, and then it's a restaurant, a hotel, and then the next store I'm selling in. So they're like, when I need to drop off my plushies, I could just walk to both of them. So, this one, they want my pigs. Out of all my plushies, they said that everyone fell in love with the pigs. It's like a jury of people that decide who gets to sell in their store. It's a very high traffic store, and they all like the pigs. So my question was which pigs? So I'm going to show you guys the 2 different type of pigs I have. So as you guys might have seen, I have this one. This is my own pattern, my own design. And then I have, get backwards, this one. This one's only small because of the yarn. I had bigger ones. I'm all sold out of all my pigs. So I said, do you only want the pigs? And they said, yeah. I said, in my head, I was like, perfect, good, because I could just make a whole bunch of these. I don't have to worry about figuring out what I need to make to bring in. So I know they want pigs. I know that I only have to make pigs. So that made me happy. So I spent this week making pigs. So I have 5 pigs. I might only bring in these 3 jumbo ones just so that they're priced at the regular one. Or I might bring in all 5 and say, hey, these are all the different sizes. The small one, the issue is that I don't know how the prices are going to work. So we're going to meet right now. So I just wanted to show you guys just that I made 5 pigs. I find it as an achievement just because with a kid and my ADHD, I can't crochet that much. But let me go put some quarters in the meter. Let me head inside and I will see you guys in the video.